The future of crypto investing is modular, and today we'll be discussing how you can build the perfect stack in 2025, right? So what does modular investing actually mean in the crypto markets? When you look at the landscape, especially this year, successful crypto investors aren't relying on a single platform or a single strategy. They are building up what we call modular stacks. So a modular investment strategy means combining different components: trading, staking, lending, automation, analytics into one sort of a unified workflow to market cycles, adaptation, right? So you've got risk appetite being also addressed here, and also just a very clearly defined investment goal. So think of it like a DeFi Lego, right? So plug in tools that each serve a specific function and actually upgrade or swap as you need them. So these core modules of smart investor stacks, so to speak, right, are kind of I can break it down more like a beginner stack would be a module like spot trading, the purpose there being maybe just to purchase BTC or ETH or altcoins, and the tools you would need would be simple trading platforms like Binance or MEXC or Luno, right? And when you think about the custody aspect there, you can store your assets securely, right, using a Ledger or MetaMask, Exodus wallet, any kind of wallet that you think makes sense, especially if it's a non-custodial wallet. And then when you're looking at things from an analytics perspective, you want to be tracking price and also managing your portfolio. Then you can use tools like Coinigy, TradingView example. And then, you can learn kind of the basics. You can reduce your risk. You can DCA into core assets, and you can avoid leverage. All of these tools will be available on decentralized.news/ecosystem. So we've kind of curated all the best exchanges, wallets, and trading tools. And if you're into Web3, iGaming, all of those tools will be available. But if you're an intermediate, right, okay, so it'll be you thinking about maybe trading perpetuals, hedging, shorting, longing assets using platforms like BitUnix or Bybit or Gravity, GRVT, right? You could be thinking of maybe doing some lending, earning passive yield on stables, using platforms like Femex or Blowfin, or you could be using bots automating your trading setups, right, with 3Commas or DCAing or grid bots that you could use, tracking your trades. Multi-exchange portfolio managers like Coinigy would be able to help you with that. So the goal would be maybe deploying assets across centralized exchanges and DeFi and generating returns, right, using basic automation for consistent results. But when you get to the kind of advanced pro stack, you're looking at high frequency trading, right? Cross-platform arbitrage, scalping, using platforms like PrimeXBT, Gravity, right? AI bots, auto trading via kind of AI signal passing, right? 3Commas trading, view scripts, GPT plugins, right? Staking and yield. Compound DeFi passive income there. You're looking at maybe platforms like Disk or OKX, Aave, things of that nature. Then the strategy layer, where you're combining data, alerts, analytics, using Bridge, Debridge, Coinigy, June Analytics, things like that. You can automate yield and trade executions as your goal there, managing risk dynamically. So that's really kind of how you look at these different stacks. There's different platforms you can use, right? So if you want to do a trade spot, maybe you use Binance. Trading perps, you use Gravity. Lending, yield, maybe Femex, or copy trading using BitUnix, or AI bots using 3Commas. And all of these tools are curated. Like I said, just check out the links in the description. So I think modular is a future proof, gives you flexibility, gives you, that escape from redundancy from a single point of failure, and also efficiency and an edge. I think using DeFi and centralized exchanges is a combination there. So you can build your own stack, you can own your own strategies, and that's really how the crypto markets are evolving in 2025. If you want to learn more, make sure you follow us on all the different socials. We are across 30 plus different social media platforms. Like, share, subscribe, man, and follow us. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.